According to multiple media outlets, two Minnesota lawmakers, Representative Melissa Hortman and Senator John Hoffman,
were shot inside their homes in Champlin and Brooklyn Park, Minnesota, in coordinated early morning attacks.
Both are Democrats. Both lawmakers' spouses were shot in the attacks as well. The Brooklyn Park Police Department sent out a shelter-in-place notification
for a 3-mile radius around the Edinburgh Golf
course at 5:30 a.m. on June 14th.
The suspect in question is a white man with brown hair wearing black body armor over a blue shirt and blue pants.
He may be impersonating law enforcement, which is how he could have gained entry into the lawmakers' homes.
Authorities are telling people in the area not to answer their door for a police
officer unless it's two officers together, or call 911 to confirm the identity of the officer.